How to delete reels on your Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily delete your Facebook reels if you have posted it on your Facebook page or Facebook profile. So first thing first, just head over to your any web browser and just search in for facebook.com and make sure you're currently logged into your Facebook page or Facebook account. So currently I'm logged in with my Facebook page, so I'll simply head over to my profile from this left section over here and just scroll down and click on this reels section where you will be able to see all of your uploaded videos or reels basically. And now let's say I want to delete this video over here, which is the reels. So let me just quickly mute the video and simply click on the video, and what I'll be doing is just tap on this three dot icon over here and just click on delete just like that, and once again click on delete. So your video will be successfully deleted just like that from your reels section. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.